I'm gonna come back to that later, right? Off we go into the wild blue yonder. Over here, I'm gonna take this right here, the one that they were missing, that they threw away because they didn't really care about Joe, and having Joe having to run all over tarnation. Yes, that's what I said. I said tarnation. That's where I had to go. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this one right now. If yours ever comes out, if you try to screw it on and screw it on, it's not going, try the opposite direction. See, like I'm unscrewing it, but it's tightening right on. And there it is. I'm just gonna keep doing it, and I've got it tight. You don't wanna overdo it. You know, you could take a pair of pliers and tighten that just a hair more, but you don't wanna go too far because this is just plastic underneath there. Look at that. I've got that one fixed by Joe. And it's holding water too because I got the little O-ring. And lots of times, some of the hardware stores don't have that O-ring. I had to go to 3 different hardware stores to find that O-ring. So I've got lots of time and energy invested on trying to get the other pop-up. Okay, it's going. You know, that could pop up higher. Sometimes you can get these to pop up higher by adjusting from down below, and I think I'm going to end up doing that. But I had one crack me up. I had one that would only go up about this high when you had this pushed down all the way, and the person thought the sink was plugged up, and I found out what was going on there, and I was able to fix it to where this popped up. It actually popped up higher, and voila, 7 years, or no, 12 years later, it works like a charm. It wasn't clogged or anything. It just needed, the pop-up needed to be lifted up higher. So this one here is working okay, but it's slightly questionable. See, if I push it hard, it pops up high, okay? Most people maybe aren't gonna push it like that. They're just gonna push it regular, and it takes a while for it to go down, and I might adjust that, okay? It's borderline, all right? So there you go. One more thing off my list. A few strategic bends on the bracket down there. And look how high I got it able to pop up. That's what you want. Because remember before, as I popped this up, it was only going up about that far. Then it just takes the water that much longer. You might think your drain is clogged up when in fact you just need to adjust the pop-up valve underneath the sink. There you go. Well, that's all I got time for, but I'll be back with more videos.